Alright, you guys, this is a 94 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo V8. Purchased it just a few weeks ago. The owner wasn't real sure what was going on with it. I had a couple issues to start. One of them was I was hearing a spark sound like you had a bad spark plug that was actually grounding out. But upon inspection of the actual wires and everything else, everything had a good, solid, clean connection with no leaks, but I could still actually hear the popping sound. What happened when I actually took the distributor cover off, which was a little bit tricky, I didn't video that, but there's plenty of them out there. I discovered down here in the actual distributor cap, there was actually popping, and what had actually occurred is the distributor cap hadn't made it on 100% of the way like it was supposed to. So because of that, it was basically not allowing the rotor here to make full contact and being just a little bit away. If my camera will focus here, you can see just how dirty this is, and this tip here is actually very rough to the touch. This here was, I want to say, about $20 for the two of them to put together, and another $20 for the wires. You kind of see how bad the plug end caps are there. It 100% solved the problem, and I'm glad that's all that it was.